Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on QLC. In today's analysis, we will once again take a look at this breakout from this down channel, and I also want to show you this breakout once again from this rising wedge pattern as well. And we will also take a look at this upcoming resistance, a very big upcoming resistance of this down trend line. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to recall my previous trade setup of QLC that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 29th of July. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move that QLC formed with Bitcoin pair. And by the way, this pattern was formed on the daily time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this idea at that time, it was moving inside this potential reversal zone. And by the way, this buying zone starts from 29 and goes to 0.00000026 BTC, and our sell targets were from 33 and goes to 0.00000038 Bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that it was really a very massive pump and rallied even beyond the sell targets, which I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this guardlay move. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, and this is, by the way, QLC with US dollar pair, then you can see that we are moved above this resistance of a long-term down channel. It was entered the channel here in April 2021, and recently we have broken it out, and the next candlestick is open above this resistance. It is possible that we may retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and again we will move up. By the way, we are rejected by this resistance that we have at 2.5 cents, and you can see previously it had been breaking as a resistance here, support here, almost as a resistance here as well, resistance, support. And after that, our next resistance will be here, that is at 5 cents. And before that, or almost at the same level, we also have this very long-term down trend line resistance as well. You can see we were rejected here. Then again, we got another rejection here back in April 2021 when we formed this down channel as well, started the formation of this down channel here. And this was the final rejection last time we were having here in the month of December 2021. And right now you can see that we have broken out this resistance of the channel. And by the way, the target for this smaller down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 15 cents. That is also a very big target. And before that, we need to, by the way, break out this resistance first of 2.45 cents and this 5 cents resistance as well. And at the same time, we will be also breaking out this very long-term down trend line resistance as well. Now let's take a look at this daily time frame chart. Then here you can see that we have broken out this rising wedge pattern and rejected by this resistance of 2.5 cents that we were watching here as well. And the price line is getting accumulated between this resistance, the previous resistance of the wedge, and this resistance of 2.5 cents. Now, for example, if the price line move down, then it can retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And at the same time, we can see there is also a broadening wedge formation as well. Like we formed this high here, and the next high is here, and the next high is higher than the previous one. And here we have an uptrend line support as well. So at the same time, it is also forming this broadening wedge formation, and it is also possible that if the price line breaks down this support, then it may test this support, that long-term support of this broadening wedge. And after testing the support here, that will be approximately at 1 cent, quite down from here, then it will start another reversal from here to form another higher than previous high. And in that situation, it can break out this 2.5 cents resistance, and it will be very close to this resistance of bigger down trend line as well. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on these two supports and this 2.5 cents resistance as well. The next few days can be very important for QLC. It can break out the resistance or break down the support. I'm expecting it can break out the resistance because we have already broken out a very big resistance of this down channel, and after some price correction or maybe a sideways move, soon we will break out the next resistance to hit the final target of this down channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.